Congratulations, Mr. Aka.
Thank you.
I can see you've proudly worn your medal around your neck.
Yes.
But how does it feel being a part of this team that has made history, winning 2 trophies in a couple of months?
In a couple of no months. It is the great work that we are doing that I've shown today. And I'm happy to also see you today. I've been watching you and your colleagues, and you always talk about Summer Boy. And I've been saying that football is made in Summer Boy. So you and your crew need to come to Summer Boy on every match day. You've seen it for yourself. The best is yet to come.
You've done quite a lot, as part of this team. But what should Ghanaians expect from Samartex going into the new season?
Well, we have a plan, we have a project, and we are still on course. They should expect more from us. 3 days ago, we visited the office of the Forestry Commission. I told them, if this team take out Raja, then they should expect another cup, the 3rd cup after today. In fact, I promised them this cup, the Forestry Commission, that we are bringing the Super Cup to them. But hey, after Raja, if my team is able to take out Raja, I don't see any team coming near Samartex.
It seems you have high expectations. Do you think that puts pressure on you yourself?
No. There's no pressure at all. I've been telling them, I said, look, no pressure. They are just like you. Any opposition, I told them, I've been telling them, they are just like you. There's no pressure in football. What we have learned is what we are going to showcase to the rest of the world. So it is not a matter of pressure. We are under no pressure. It's a work in progress. We are improving match after match. We started from 1st July. We had a couple of friendly matches, and people were saying, oh, they are not playing Premier Class. Now here we are. We play a couple of matches, we didn't make noise. We went to Togo for an international friendly before the Douala game. We played a return match. We are here today, and we know we are getting there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
And wish you all the best.
You can promise my people in Summer Boy that you will be there on every match day coming next season.
Hopefully.
Can you promise them? We are watching you.
We will do our best. Thank you very much for your time. Congratulations.
Thank you, boss.
And then what captain Samartex? Mwaje was 2nd trophy of the season, just with 2nd year in the top flight. How does that make you feel as a captain?
Okay, meda ahwefo so ase. Manage bebre because being assistant captain na within a year ultimate captain cap me no there because he say nije opa na boys me so nije say na motivate say ko ye no motivate pa.
Only someone who never true. So far games are about 50 CAF Champions League back when we namun concede. Then Sonko na wo mu mienu ntem.
Okay, meda was na mada coach nasi because I think say day in day out in the training idea what to defend say any go no. I think say match be na reflect and on the way trima etime boy say be ya be duru bia na you make sure say you concede and do catch bia so no you could see say obo match na e show clear internal na ma adwuma na easy pa and better coach nasi e wa see
so say amaji league osha season no ever start just next week. Mo GDA yarishe mu say bet me at defending league now.
Oh yeah, and until na woman na bobi no because GDA ni say da so ni say bet me defending league na e wono na is proceed to another stage. Nti da so pa and you hope ni say bet me I side man so.
Congratulations. Commiserations, Sabi.
Thank you, boss.
First of all, talk to me about your performance. You made some good saves to keep your side in it, but unfortunately, you conceded during the tail end of the game. What do you make of your performance?
Yeah, it was okay, but it was unfortunate that I conceded that goal last minute. So it had made my effort some way, but we give thanks to God for everything that He has done for us.
Nsoatreman won the FA Cup. They came up against the league champions. You think the opposition was just better on the day?
No, I think we didn't take our chances, but it's hard luck for us, but we will try our best to our next game.
The season starts next week. You know, as a goalkeeper who is also competing with Afaju, what do you think your chances are with the performance you put up today?
Oh, we are there to support each other. Whoever that they will select to play, we are okay with it.
And what do you think will be Nsoatreman's, performance in the upcoming season?
We will try our best. They haven't decided. We haven't decided yet, but we will listen. We will try to do whatever that we have to do best.
Commiserations once again.
Thank you, boss.